Today I'm going to teach you how to create an exact viral formula to producing tech house like this. Mainly inspired by Pawsa's hits as Dirty Cash and Pick Up the Phone. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to create a top 10 tech house beatport banger. So let's straight dive into it. First, set the BPM to 130. Then for other samples, presets and vocals, we'll be using our new After Hours pack. It's just the best pack out there for this genre. It's linked down below. Let's start off with a kick. Let's go for this one. Drop it in. Something like this. Then layer it with a clap at every second beat. And drop an open head at the offbeat. Together with a closed head for some more punch. And drop in another closed head right here, steady off the grid as well. To add some more groove to it. And to finish off the drums, I want to add some groove with the top loops. This one's really groovy, so drop it in. And finish it off with a layered right head on top of the last open head. Just like this. So then route all the drum samples to a drum bus. Compress them together to catch the peaks. Bring back some transients and add some distortion. And mix it in, just like this. Now we're gonna continue with that iconic sort of guitar bass Pawsa uses a lot of the time, so let's make it in Serum first. Go to the multi-sample tool, bass and 5-string bass. As you can hear, this is a resampled bass guitar inside Serum. 2 octaves down, then filter it. Cut off really low and route a note to it. So what this will do is, when you play in higher octave note, it will open up the filter some more, and then just combine it with some OTT and reverb and delay with a mod wheel. Also route the mod wheel to the cutoff of the filter. So when you open up the mod wheel, it will give more of that bass guitar feel. Then we're gonna dive into MIDI. It's gonna be a fairly simple one, but those MIDIs are really effective, so start from the root notes. Up to the third note of the scale. Back to the root. And finish off with a steady note. Just like this. Duplicate it and just make a really small variation by switching up the notes like this. Then drop it in and mix the kick and bass together. First compress them together by catching the peaks like this. And then drop in an R bass, frequency around 50. And lower down intensity around here. This will really boost the stop end. Altogether sounding like this. Now we're gonna dive in the vocal section, so open up the vocal tab from the sample pack. We're working in A minor, so this one will do the job. Drag it in and arrange it. We're gonna drop it right here, so place it right before the drop. Then 8 bars without the vocal and then drop it back in. So this will be the build up. And drop in an endless smile animation. Yeah, that's solid, so let's just go to last tweak to create animation clip and draw it in like this. Because we don't have the vocal playing in a drop, we need to fill it up with some more synth steps. So go to the After Hours pack and let's pick this preset and just follow the MIDI. Then we're gonna do the same, but with a plug preset. Let's go for this one. And again, following the bass MIDI. So just drop them in, and then I want to add a wobble sound right here to sort of introduce the drop. So again, a preset from the pack. Up an octave. Yeah, that's solid. Place it right here. So altogether the synth elements sound like this. We got all the elements of the Pawsa drop ready, so now it's time to arrange it. First, let's duplicate the drop. Like this. Then we're gonna do the same right here. and leave the last bar empty. Just like this. Forgot to copy over this one. And we're gonna do the same right here. Also got rid of the synths right here. So this will be the song structure. Now we're gonna make it a bit more interesting with this low end EQ on the master chain. So copy the value, create an animation clip. Then first, further out the low end in the build up, and further out the low end after every 8 bar in the song. Just like this. And automate it together with a mod view of the bass we made earlier. Something like this. So then to emphasize and finish off the build up, I want to add in the snare roll. Dropping one from the back, fit it to the tempo. Just like this. So that's how you make a Pawsa style drop. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.